Patrick of the Feral Mods Facebook page has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. I love these two vehicles that he came up with, and he describes both of them here. First of all, on the FauxStang that you're seeing here, the weathering is all done with white colored pencil and sandpaper. On the upcoming battle crane, you'll see that here in a second. I think this battle crane is amazing. On this, he says all the rust coloring on the battle crane is real rust. He makes peracetic acid, 50-50 vinegar and peroxide, adds steel wool, and 15 minutes later you have a rust solution which can be used as a wash or applied like thin paint if you let it evaporate for a bit. When it dries, you get real rust. You get rust dust, which can be used like weathering powder or rehydrated for painting. The acid will actually dissolve die-cast metal, which makes it perfect for Gaslands builds. Strategically scrape the paint off, soak in the acid, and it'll eat away any exposed metal. Takes a day or two, but the cool deterioration when painted like rust looks realistic. Please check out his Facebook page and his YouTube channel. He hopes to expand the YouTube channel with more diecast this upcoming year. Thanks for taking the challenge, Patrick. I love these builds. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.